Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Fung, and I told you we're going to do science today. So first, scientists, I want you to observe what I have in my hand. Can you tell me what's inside the bag? Look closely. I'll turn it this way. Did you say nothing? There's something inside the bag, I swear. How about if I go like this? Do you see it now? How about now? I can feel that there's something in the bag. What do you think that is? Did you say air? You would be right. There's air in the bag. And yesterday we made bubble painting. So today we are going to make bubbles and we are going to explore air some more. So first you're going to need a couple of items. So I'm going to have you go get them with your parents, okay? Okay, boys and girls, were you able to get the items that you needed? So I have my warm water, and I have my detergent, and I have some sugar, and I have a tablespoon. If you don't have a tablespoon, you can just get a big spoon. As long as you use the same spoon, you should be okay. So the first thing we're going to put in is 2 tablespoons of sugar. Here's 1 spoon. Here's my second spoon. So it's 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, after we have the 2 tablespoons of sugar, we are going to put 4 tablespoons of warm water. We're going to put it into the mixture because we're going to mix something, so we're going to call it a mixture. So let's put 4 tablespoons. Tablespoon, it's warm water, so 2 tablespoons of water, 3 tablespoons of water, and 4 tablespoons of water. And remember, boys and girls, try to make sure the water's warm. It'll mix better. And make sure you tell your mom and dad to help you. Then you're going to take a spoon and mix the sugar with the warm water. So we're mixing it, and we have a mixture. We're going to make one more. We're going to add one more ingredient. So you should have the sugar and the warm water mixed pretty well, okay? Okay, next, we're gonna take our same spoon, and we're gonna put in 1 tablespoon of solution. Okay, so just 1, I'm gonna put it in there, and then we're gonna mix that up really nice and make sure it's mixed in there pretty well. Now that you've created a solution, it's a liquid with a lot of ingredients in it. We're gonna let it sit and just for a minute, because now you need to create something to blow your bubbles. So this is what's in your science bag. Remember, boys and girls, there should be a pipe cleaner and a straw. So my challenge for you is to create something that you can blow from to make a bubble wand, all right? So go at it, and then I'll show you what I made. Okay, so boys and girls, scientists, they experiment all different ways. So your bubble wand can look very different than mine. But what I decided, I'm like, you know, I know that wands kind of look round like this. So I'm gonna twist my pipe cleaner. And then I know I have a straw, so I'm gonna put it inside. Look, it fits inside the straw. So I can hold something like this, or I can bend it and make one like this. So this one's a round one. If you want to make one maybe oval, you can do an oval one, or maybe you could twist it. I can twist it. So the great thing about pipe cleaners, boys and girls, is you can bend them and unbend them and just create different shapes. But now we're going to test out our solution and see if it works, because scientists have to test out things, and it might not work, so we'll see. So take your solution. Okay, let's go over here and we'll see if we can get some bubbles. So I'm going to dip it in there and see if I can blow. Okay, let's see if I can try it again. Oh, there's some small bubbles. You see that? What am I blowing? What am I blowing out of? What am I blowing through the bubble wand, boys and girls? What's that called? It's called air. Sometimes it works. Sometimes it doesn't. So what you can also do, boys and girls, you can come back to your different ingredients. Maybe you want to make a bubble wand that's a little bit bigger and see if that works. Maybe you want to blow fast. Or maybe you need to blow more gentle, like that. Or if you want, you can try, like, maybe I'll try my, to add to my solution. That's kind of really being a sign. Maybe I'll add a little more sugar and stir. Just kind of stir it a little. Or maybe I'll just add just a little bit more dishwashing detergent. Don't use too much because I don't want your mom and dad to say you're wasting. So maybe I'll just mix it a little bit. I have the 3 ingredients. Remember, I have water, sugar, and dishwashing soap. So let's see if that works better. So I'm going to test it, and I have 2 different ones. You can do 1 if you want. You can do 2. And let's see if this one works. Wow. Ooh, or maybe I'm blowing too hard. Maybe I need to blow soft. Look at that one. Whoa. So you see, boys and girls, you're being a scientist. You're going to experiment and explore with your different ingredients. You maybe want to do different shapes for your bubble wand and see what you need to do to blow bubbles. So you can blow air through your different wand. Maybe the shape has something to do with your bubbles. Or maybe how fast or how hard you blow. Or maybe the solution is the problem. So go and have fun with it, explore, and make some bubbles today. So have fun with science. And what is it that we're blowing through the bubble wand? What is that called? It's called air. See you next time, boys and girls. Have a good weekend. Bye.